how to allow just your friends to see your uh, social networks on your Roblox. So first guys, you have to open, and don't forget to support us by subscribing and liking this video. So you click on this 3 point and you come here to your settings, and right now come here to your account information and go to the last button in this page. So you have just to scroll down, go to visible to everyone and change it to friends. Click save. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.